guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nikki and today I'm going to do an H&M haul video. How are you guys? So yeah, this is my third time doing this video. The first time I made it, I didn't like it, so I just thought that I should do it again. And the second time I did it, it got delayed and I had some problems recovering it, so yeah, I'm making it again, third time. So without any more talking, let's get into the video. So my first product, let me show you this one. Okay, so this is the first one. I got this super duper oversized sweater. Yeah, it has pretty long sleeves, you guys can see. I got this in medium size. I really like it. It looks really cool and funky, and yeah, everybody like really appreciated for this one. So yeah, I really like it. So yeah, so you guys asked me to do like an H&M haul video, and I always think about doing H&M try on haul video, you know, like any clothing haul video, but I never ever do it. I don't know why, but I always think about it and then never do it. So yeah, I asked you guys and you guys said that I should do an H&M haul video, so I thought yeah. And by the way, if you guys want me to do I'll just ask that question after a few clothing things. So the second thing I got is this red hoodie, and I got this red hoodie. I really loved it. In the front it's written golden, and you know, it's quite bright red, and I really loved it. I mean, it looks really cool, and yeah, I really liked it. H&M is like one of my favorite brands. Do let me know what your favorite brand is. So the next thing is this crop sweater. So the thing I like the most in this sweater is this patch. By the way, this is like my 2-month shopping from H&M. Oh my god, I have like this my makeup on it. Shit. You see, this is what happens when you wear your sweatshirt after doing makeup. Oh god. So I wanted to buy a high-waist jeans, and I got this one. They also had like a normal one, but I got this one with fringes on top. It looks really cool, you know, even if you're wearing like a casual top or a casual sweater and you just like, you know, tuck in and you wear these jeans. It looks really good. It gives like, you know, your outfit a little extra, and that's what I really like about it. So yeah, I got it. So the next thing I got is another crop sweater. It is really bright yellow, and I really liked it. It says in the front, Toronto BS University. The next thing I got is this casual basic sweater. Do let me know if you guys are loving this H&M try on haul, and if you guys want me to do more hauls like Zara haul, My Nike haul, Sephora haul, Forever 21 haul, like, you know, just comment down below and let me know. Gowns. The next thing I got is another sweater. This is also an oversized sweater. I really like it. It looks like cow print, I don't know, but when I saw this I was like, okay, it looks like a little cow print, and I love cows. The next thing is this fur jacket. You know, like tons of you guys asked me when we got this jacket from. I posted like some pictures on Instagram, so yeah, you guys asked me, so I got this from H&M, and it looks really good. I got this in extra small size also. The next thing is another basic sweater from H&M. This is in gray color, so I got this in extra small. The next thing is this another basic sweater. I really love this one. I love the combination. It says new eclectic in the front, and they've written this in pink. The next thing I got is this cute little sleeping mask. I got this like bunny one, and I really liked it. It is super soft and super comfortable. You guys can see how good it looks. So yeah, I really like this one. It is super comfortable and it is really soft, so I really liked it. The other thing I got from H&M is, well, I got these rubber bands also from H&M. I got this hat from H&M. I wanted to buy like an ankle length boots, you know, simple, comfortable, and a little bit, you know, like with a heel, and I got these. the last thing I got is this oversized, like it is super duper oversized basic shirt. So what I do is like I fold the sleeves and I make a knot, and it looks really good. Yeah, you can wear it like with a high-waisted jeans. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you guys liked it, do subscribe my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below and tell me which item item is your favorite. So yeah, till then, bye.